Hey, what's up, you guys? My name is Adriana Moné, and I'm the owner and creator of Moné. So I know it's been a while since I've been on YouTube, since I posted a video. I really wanted to just sit down and post a video. I've been slacking, and life has just been so crazy and so busy. I just got off work. For those of you that don't know, I do teach. I'm a kindergarten teacher. So trying to teach as well as run a business is a lot. So I told myself I'm gonna sit down and just kind of talk with you guys about what's been going on. I want to talk about my fall launch. I was supposed to do a Q&A like months ago, and I actually have the questions that people ask. I never got around to do it, so I'm gonna do that at the end of this video. So stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for still staying subscribed. And I still, every day will get a new follower, and I'm like, wow, let me actually give them something to watch. So the first part of this video is just kind of like an update, what's been going on. Honestly, really just life has been happening. I redid my quote-unquote candle studio. It's not done, but there's one part I wanted to kind of show you guys a little sneak peek. Oh, look at that. I'm filming on my phone, so you can't see that good, but I have my logo on my wall, and I want to do a full tour, like a candle studio office tour. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, let me know. I think the last video I did was, I don't know if I ever even did anything over my summer launch. So I did have a summer collection. I had 3 wax melts that I did. Let me show you guys just in case. I'm not sure if I showed that on here. Okay, so I have my summer 2 out of 3. I have my wildflower. This is what my labels look like. I'm sorry if it's loud. Somebody's car is going off. That's probably my car. Sorry, y'all, that actually was my car going off. But now that that's taken care of, so yeah, so this is my summer collection. One of them I'm completely sold out of, and it's October now, so probably won't make any more, but I still have it up on my Etsy, just in case. I'm probably gonna discount them. But this one is wildflower. I love wildflower, and honestly, it didn't do as good as I wanted it to, or as I thought it would do. It's kind of hard when you're selling online, especially like a scented product. People want to smell it. You can only describe it so well. I'm not the best at describing and like the descriptions, but I think it smells really good. It's like it's not like too floral, but it's like kind of like I don't know. Like I said, I'm not good. Beach sand. So this was my absolute favorite. It reminds me of, and it's my favorite scent from Bath and Body Works, the coconut. What is it? What's it called? I can't think of it. I have to put the name on the screen because I have candles. I have the car things. It's from Bath and Body Works. It's like I love coconut, and it smells just like it. When I found this scent, let me tell y'all, I fell in love. I was like, this has to be it. It smells so good. I love it. If you don't like coconut, then you probably won't like it. But it's kind of like a clean, it's like a beachy scent. You know what I'm saying? And then my other one I had is coconut mango, and that one went crazy. That one, every time I would make more, it would just sell out, and it would sell out. So I'm thankful and grateful for that. So I try to do kind of a floral, a clean kind of beachy scent, and then a fruity scent for summer. Honestly, I didn't have high expectations for summer. Just because I know fall, like the holidays, that's when really people want wax melts and candles. So I didn't really have a high, any really expectations for summer, but I still wanted to put out something because I love what I do. I love, you know, coming up with custom scents. I love choosing different fragrance oils. I love coming up and like designing my packaging and making my labels and stuff. So I was gonna do it regardless if someone bought it or not. I love doing that. I love like launches, like my Valentine's launch. I didn't do anything for spring, but my summer launch, my fall launch, which I will talk about in a minute. But I just love doing stuff like that. But now on to fall. I love fall so much, just in general. It's my favorite season. I love Halloween. I love the state fair. If you live in Texas, you know. My birthday is in November. Thanksgiving. I love Thanksgiving. I love to eat. And so just everything fall. Pumpkins and just everything about it. The pumpkin spice, y'all. Starbucks, what was it? Was it August 31st, August 30th, September 1st, whatever day that Starbucks had their pumpkin spice? Baby, I was first in line. I was most definitely first in line. Sorry, the lighting's a little bit different. The sun is starting to go down, so I just turned on the light. So, anyways, fall collection. So I launched my fall collection September 22nd, I believe. Wasn't intentional. I really wish I would have launched September 1st or maybe even in August, but just life happens and I didn't have everything together. It was very rushed. My launch was very rushed. I think I got everything together within like a week, like literally probably from the day I ordered my fragrance oil samples to the day of my launch was probably a week or a week and a half. And so I had to order the samples, I had to test them, I had to then order the actual fragrance oil, the big 16-ounce bottles. I had to order my labels, I had to come up with names and design the labels, and I had to order the labels, and I had to, you know, take my photos, and it was very rushed, and so very stressful. But like I said, I love fall, so I enjoyed doing it. I enjoyed choosing the scents. I enjoyed creating the labels. I enjoyed all of that. I enjoyed the process. I just wish I would have taken my time, and I wish I would have got it out sooner. So September 22nd, that was the first official day of fall. So I was like, oh, like I can just do that. And it kind of just makes it seem like I released it that late on purpose, when in reality, I didn't. I was very behind. And so that was that. So I have 3 of the 5 scents right here in front of me, just because I need to make up some more. Like I said, life has been crazy lately. But so yeah, I have 3 of the 5, and to be honest with you guys, these are not even the actual wax melts inside of here. Like I said, it was so rushed. The day that I got my labels in the mail, I was like, I need to take my product photos to get them out. And so I just got a bunch of old wax melts that I had laying around and just put my new labels on them, and I use it for my photos. But at least I can show you what the labels look like. So this is my pumpkin spice. And honestly, and I'll put up a better picture and maybe videos of what they look like. And honestly, for the pumpkin spice, I knew that I wanted a pumpkin spice scent. I knew it because it's fall. You know, every candle owner person knows, you know, right? And my thing was, I didn't know if I wanted to name it pumpkin spice or kind of put my own twist on it. But then in the end, I just really decided pumpkin spice, that's what people are looking for. That's what people are searching. So why not make it easy? It's what they want, so give them what they want, right? And so this is my pumpkin spice scent. I have my cashmere plum. I absolutely, and I'm not even gonna bother trying to show you guys. I'm gonna put pictures up. I love this scent. It's like a luxury, like it, I don't know. It definitely was kind of different to me. But I love it. It's given holiday season, and I think this is a good one that will go throughout the holidays as well as like the Christmas season too. I think this one is going to do very well, which it has so far, honestly, but I'll get to that. And this is my bonfire scent. This is your typical like woodsy fire type of scent, like campfire. My mom actually, shout out to her, she helped me come up with the name. As soon as I let her smell it, she was like, oh, I would probably do like a bonfire. And I was like, oh, I love that. I'm gonna have to give you a little 10% or something. I love that. And so I love it. It's not, my typical scent, what I would go for, but I really do enjoy this scent. And honestly, I probably burn it the most just because it's different to me. But I feel like it's kind of essential in a fall collection. I'm sorry, there's kids outside playing if you hear screaming. No children were harmed in the making of this video. But yeah, so this is bonfire. And so those are the three that I have in front of me. And then I also have flannel, which is it's a more masculine, kind of like a clean scent. Sorry if the lighting and everything keeps going in and out and the positioning is weird. My phone is giving me the hardest of the hardest times. Like I really was trying to sit down and get this video over with within like 20 minutes, and it's way longer than that. So I'm kind of over it. But anyways, my last scent, which I don't have with me, and I'll put a picture on the screen, of course, was Autumn Air. And I love Autumn Air. It honestly is just like your fall scent. Like to me, it just smells like fall. Like it has your apple, cinnamon, and kind of like your coziness, but also like the outside air. Like I said, I'm not good at the descriptions and describing it. But I think it was kind of like the icing on the cake. I honestly am so proud. I love my whole fall collection. I love my labels, the packaging. I love my scents. I love the names. I'm very proud. And to know that I did it within a week, 2 weeks, I'm very proud. I do wish I had more time though. I do wish, because I think I would be even more proud if I had more time. Overall, I think my fall launch is going pretty well. I'm not doing, to be honest, I'm not doing as good as I really thought I was going to do. For some reason, I don't know. I just had high expectations, but over the past week, like this week has been really good for me, just honestly in every aspect of my life, but specifically just with my business. So I'm currently right now at 99 sales on my Etsy, which I'm super proud of. If you guys don't know, I started my Etsy December of last year, so it hasn't even been a full year yet. And I don't know, I was kind of skeptical, like, should I be happy with 99 sales within, how many months is that? Less than a year? Should I be happy with 100 sales in less than a year? Or, should I be further along? I don't know. I took it as, hey, look, it's better than I was a month ago. People are purchasing, people are repurchasing, people are buying. And the best thing about it is it's only on Etsy. So that's not even including my local orders. So I can't even say, oh, it's mostly family or it's mostly friends. My family orders through me. They don't want to pay shipping. So my, people in my family, who are my friends, people who I work with, like other teachers, who purchase stuff for me, friends of friends, family of friends, they all order through me. Nobody wants to pay shipping, which I get it. I understand. I completely understand. So all my Etsy orders are pretty much, of course there is some friends and some family who do order on there, but it's pretty much people I don't know who just found me and decided, oh, This seems nice. That looks like it smells good. That packaging is nice. This looks like a quality product. I want to spend my hard-earned money. I want to spend my money on that. And they repurchased too. So it's like I'm super happy. But yeah, I was kind of confused. Should I let myself be happy or should I be working harder? And it definitely motivated me. Like it really did. And that's why I'm sitting here, making this video. Like, even though everything right now is trying to go wrong, my phone is running out of storage, it's about to die, the lighting is crazy, everything is trying to go wrong, but I'm still here, I'm still trying, and I'm still making it happen. So overall, I'm super happy, I'm super proud. If you guys want to support or even just check out my Etsy, I'll leave it in my description. I also will put it on the screen. Follow my Instagram as well. But yeah, you guys, I think this is going to be the end of this video. I know I said I was going to do a Q&A, but honestly, this video turned out to be longer than I expected already. And just, like I said, my phone's dying. I don't have any storage. My life is chaos right now. But I'm happy I made this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it wasn't all over the place. I'm going to struggle trying to edit this. Also, I really do want to do a Q&A. So if you are watching this and you have any questions, it could be business, it can be like candle, like specifically, it can be kind of anything, like mentally, how do you handle, your mental health while being a business owner? Any kind of questions, or just even if you just want to know something random about me, how old I am, do I have any pets? Which I'm 24 years old and I don't have any pets, but I really want a doggy. But anyways, if you have any questions, leave them down below. I want to do a Q&A, but I really want to have enough questions to actually do a video. But anyways, my phone is literally out of storage. So thank you guys again for watching. Thank you so much. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.